How can we use our phones, and more specifically social media, to help us to achieve our goals? Well, in today's video I'm going to show you a really cool trick for how to do it. Hi everybody, I'm Michael. Welcome back to the Kataholos YouTube channel. So in today's video we're talking about phones and using social media and how we can link those together to actually achieving our goals. So let's get straight into this. Apparently we are on our phones now and check them up to 150 times a day. That's a lot, 150. But we can use that to our advantage. Now think about a goal that you want to achieve. What do you normally do? You normally write it on a list. And where do you normally keep the list? Well, you either write it in a journal on a piece of paper or keep it in your phone. So why not put the two together and use your social media to help you spur into action for achieving your goals? I've been doing this for a few weeks and I find it really helpful. So try this today. Write your goals for the month. So it could be the month of June, July. Write them down and keep them in a little note on your phone. It needs to be on your phone so you've got immediate access to it in one place. Once you've written your goals down, then think about the times when you go on social media. You think, oh, I'll just check Facebook, or just go on Instagram, or just do this. And that's fine, but just before you're about to do it, have a look at your goal and see if you can take some action in that moment, right then, to help to achieve that goal. It can only be a small thing, and actually it's better if it's something very small, because you're not suddenly going to go and off and do a massive run or go achieve a massive project or something like that in that moment. You're probably going to want to just do something small, get out of the way so you can get onto social media, and that's good because it gives you like a bit of impetus to do it. You want to get it done there and then. So it might be something as small as sending a text, sending an email, finding a piece of research, making a decision, buying a product, creating something, just something small that you can do in that moment. But the thing is, if you think about it and do the math, if you're doing that even every second time you go on your social media and you check it 20 times a day, that's 10 pieces of action taken towards your goals. Now, try this out. I found that at the end of the day, I've had 8 or 9 actions taken towards my goals that I normally wouldn't have done. So we're not trying to cut down on your social media usage on using your phone. If anything, you're actually trying to increase it, but just making sure that before you've been on it, you use some action towards that goal. And the two work together really nicely because you've already got an established habit, and all you're doing is hooking one habit onto another one rather than trying to create one when you've got some kind of unlimited willpower, which is probably never going to happen. So try it out today. Let me know in the comments below what you think of that. I find it really helpful in helping me to achieve my goals and take small, consistent, measurable action towards them. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. We're on 75 now. If you haven't subscribed, please click the link below. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Have a fantastic day. See you later.